Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. As every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes and you're going to find timeline down in the description of that video. So go choose the timeline it will suit your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. So as you see, here today what happened here in that level here, that pin bar will happen here in that level after we're reaching here. As you see it, the Bitcoin it reached to here and it gives us here that nice pin bar here. You can even zoom it a little bit like that. As you see it here, that one here, that candle, was it indicating to us? That candle is indicating to us the market is going to reverse here and there is no power to break that level here. So the people they enter with me from here, from down here, from the 200 moving average, try to protect yourself. I've been telling you that 2 days, try to protect yourself here, and I think is the right time for you to try to protect yourself. Till now here in the daily, we don't got anything new here indicating the market is going to reverse, because if you follow our previous analysis, what else we said here? We said we got here a up trend line here, that the lower of it here, and we said here, that's what me I told you before, if you remember it. I told you we came to that peak here and that one here, and we draw in there a square like that. So it gives us here like a wedge but with a square here. So the Bitcoin it came here and he couldn't break here. We couldn't break the 25k. So that indicating the market it doesn't got more power to break up. It's still early. Maybe we will break in the coming days. Till now there is nothing yet confirmed. Till now it's showing to us it has a break in here. So we need to wait in more. So for us to enter long, for people they haven't entered with us from down here, there is two scenarios. You came here to the one here and you draw in here a line like that, and here in the top now it give you here a clear triangle here. If it's breaking above here, how is going to break? That man a candle going to start down here and to close above here, that level here. You can enter long. If there is no candle, there is no entry. That's for the long. For the short is the same thing, but in the opposite side, it's need the market to come down till here and the candle to close and to break that level here, that you can enter short again. So till now the Bitcoin it's showing here is good to stay sideways here for some time, because there is no power to break that 25k. It's still early. Let's make it like that. And another thing here, if you remember what else we been saying here in the daily, we been saying we got here a very clear head and shoulder here. Now that head and shoulder now it's become more clear. As you see it, it gives us here that wave. The neckline for that one is it here. As you remember what me I told you is it here. We came to that peak here, that one here, and now even that one here. So for us to confirm, for us the market is going to go up, it's need to come to break here for us to know the market is going to go more higher than that. Till now there is nothing new here. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going to see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. Here we are, that's the coming news for today. As you see it, we got a special day. Let's make it like that. We got a 12:30 GMT time. We got here the building permit. Then we got the initial jobless claim, or people they losing the job of them. And we got Philadelphia manufacturing index. So we got a busy day. You need to be focused about those things, but all of them they are going to come in the same time. And for the Forex trader, we got a very busy day tomorrow. You need to be careful about that. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And here, our friend is the table of us we follow every day here. What it's telling us here, if you remember, all US stocks today, they are green and red. Let's make it like that. But if you compare the redness here, compared to the greenish here, the red, it's more. Because if you see in here, the red here for the Dow Jones is 0.87%. For the SP 500, 0.70%. But for the Nasdaq, is only 0.05%. That man, there is no one want to buy, and that's what me I told you. If you remember the video where I analyzed for you US stocks. Plus here, that friend of us here, us we're looking at it every day. It's the VIX. As you see it, it's still very high. Yesterday we used to be 25, now we're reached to 26, and it's still going up. And I'll tell you why. It's still going up because of the Fed and scarcity. Now the bank, all the banks now they are in big problem because people they stop trust in banks now, and that's a very good opportunity for Bitcoin. That's why I told you guys for the Bitcoin just this and forget about everything. I think picture is too clear, guys. Here now let's going to see the Bitcoin what it's doing today in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. What else we said here? We said here we got a trend line like that, and we are waiting it to get broke. And if you remember when we are here, I told you guys try to protect yourself, because if you are just came now, also we enter along from here like that. We used to have here a trend line here. When it's getting broke here, we enter long because we used to have here a very clear wage here in the 4 hours. It's getting broke here. Also we enter along the market rate here. I'll tell you protect yourself. Now also we're taking some profit here. Now what shall we do? We need to wait, because as you see here, forget about the past, just looking with me here. What you see in here, that level here is very stronger level as you see it, and here and here. So Bitcoin it couldn't break that level here, so it's still early a little bit. Now for us, if the Bitcoin give us a short signal, we will enter short. For us to enter short, we came down here. Look with me here, that one here down and that one here, and you connecting those dots by a line. Then you waiting the break to happen down here for you to enter short. If it doesn't happen, there is no entry, because it might the Bitcoin is going to give us another wave here. It is give us here a very clear price action for us to enter short. Well, now there is nothing here. As you're looking at it, the Bitcoin just came here. Now he do it like that. There is no drop just like that and like that. It need to give us here a price action here for us to enter short. You need to remember those things what I'm telling you. I think picture is too clear here. Now let's go to see our indicator what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Our indicator, if you remember what me have been telling you here about that line here. You remember it or no? I told you that line here of the divergence, when it's going to be touch here, protect yourself. That's what me have been telling you. And you can even find a video in the channel. His name is the right time to take some profit. Over here, we been touching that level here. Yes or no? What the Bitcoin done here? When it touching here, that trend line here, look at it what it's doing now. It's showing as if it's going to fall down. Yes or no? So now what should we do us? We need to look into enter short. That's it. That's the only thing we need to do. Why? I'm going to show you why. Because if you remember what else we said here about the trend line here, that one here, we said the trend line here of the divergence, it started from here and here. Now the Bitcoin is go back and touch it here. Now it's showing it falling down. Now there is one of two. It's going to come here to that middle here, then after that it will going up, or from here is going to fall down and to break for us down here in that level, and also we're going to enter short. That's it. That's the only thing, and we're going to enter short and we're going to go with it till the oversold area. Remember those things I'm telling you very well. Everything is too clear, but should you enter short now? No, my friend, there is no entry short now, because we're still in the bull control, and there is no price action in the chart telling us we need to enter short. Now, as you see it here, we show it to you clear, more clear. Look here with me. Over here is only the bulls who controlling. Over here is only the bears who controlling. I'm talking about down here, the bears who controlling, and up here is only the bulls. Where you are now? Where is the Bitcoin now here? Is it in the place where is the bulls they controlling? Look at that. Shall you enter short now? No, my friend, not yet. Need the price action to give us to enter short, and that indicator here to come and to break that wall here for us to enter short. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our other indicator what it's saying here. So it's going there. That one here, as you see it, it's reach here to the overbought area. So technically what you need to do, to looking for short now. Second thing, what is it? You got a very stronger supply and demand zone here, as you see it. From here last time it fell down. Now the Bitcoin, is it in it? Should you enter short now? No, my friend, not yet. Remember that, not yet. You need to wait until learn to wait. Without passion, there is no trading. The most important thing for us to enter short is it the price action. Did we got any price action here? Yes, we got here that trend line here, and the Bitcoin is still far away from it. It needs to fall down and to break it down here for us to enter short. If the Bitcoin doesn't break here, there is no entry short. Remember those things. If the Bitcoin doesn't break here, there is no entry short. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Yes, you are right. What else we said here? People to be with us, they remember those things very well. Watch me, I told you here. I told you that first wave, that the resting of it. Second wave, third wave. And watch me, I told you about the third wave. You can find it in the last video. I told you the people they are going to enter from here is only dumb money. That means the people they are going to be wrecked. Yes or no? Smart money, where they enter? They enter from down here. Over here, medium. Over here, a little bit. But here is only dumb money here in the last wave. The third wave never ever enter from the third wave. The Bitcoin here, what it done here? You see it or no? That squeeze here, that one they call it the fake out. It just squeeze here to make those dumb money. The Bitcoin is going to go more higher for them. Don't be late and they try to buy late. What the Bitcoin done now? Look at it. They give you here a very clear head and shoulder here. As you see it here in 30 minutes. Where is the neckline? Is down here. Look at it. Remember we used to have here a neckline. Now if the Bitcoin here in 30 minutes, I'm talking just about 30 minutes. If it's breaking down here in that level here, enter short. Remember that. Look with me again. You came to that low here and that one here. And you connecting them by a line like that. And you waiting. If the Bitcoin came and breaking down here, enter short. Remember that. If the Bitcoin came and breaking down here, enter short. Not for the short, for the long. Because also as I teach you every time, we're making two scenarios. We never make only one scenario. Look at that. We came to that one here, and that one here. And we connecting those dots by a line and we waiting. If the Bitcoin came and breaking above here, we will enter long again. Yes or no? For the short, same thing. You came down here as you see it and you connecting those ones here. And you waiting the break to happen down here. You enter short. If the break happen up here, you enter long. Everything is too clear, guys? You see it how I draw it or no? Look at it. You came to that one and that one. And you came in the top that one, and that one. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator, as you see it, it's enter here to the oversold area. So now should you enter long? Because as me I've been teaching you, our indicator is here at the oversold area. The level you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at that. From here, it bounce up. From here, it bounce up. From here, it bounce up. Should you enter long? If it's made the price action criteria. It's need that one to come to break above here for you to enter long. That's for the long. For the short, if the Bitcoin came and breaking down here, we will enter short. That's it. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. See you after European market close, guys. Bye for now.